Guys, my hands are very cold. I just spent the last 15 minutes cleaning and prepping these green onions for some kimchi, green onion kimchi. It's gonna be the simplest kimchi that we make all year. So if you have a neighbor that's growing some green onions in their backyard and it comes over your side of the fence, yank them out and let's make some kimchi today.
They say into your early life romance came, and it 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 came.
We're going to be using green onions. And what's the difference between a green onion and scallions? Nothing. They're the same thing. Some stores call them scallions, some stores call them green onions, but basically long green stalk and a white end that doesn't have a large bulb. If it has a large bulb, it might be a spring onion. All right, so I'm going to give this a quick rinse, cut off the roots. An outer layer, which is dirty, I like to just simply rub my knife against it, and then it makes it a lot easier just to grab that and then just take off the top layer, right? Just skin it down like that. Then you're left with this beautiful green onion. We'll repeat for all of this, and then let's give it another rinse. I did work on some of this before this video, so it should take around 10 to 15 minutes. How much am I using? I'm using, let's say 2 very large handfuls. This came out to be around 400 grams. And when we look at the onion part of the stem, we want something that's small. I would say equal or smaller than your thumbnail. That way we don't get too much onion flavor when we bite into it. If you find some that are very big like this, just use your knife and split it down the middle. Okay, so it becomes 2. That's it, guys. And we'll put this to the side. Next is the kimchi paste. And today we're going to make a simple wet rub using only 5 ingredients. In the past we made a kimchi paste using glutinous rice powder or flour, but this one is going to be much simpler. Korean red chili flakes, gochugaru, ½ cup in. So balance out the heat with some sugar, 1½ tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon in, and another ½ tablespoon. All right, and then we're going to use some fish sauce. If you have Korean myeolchi or anchovy sauce, even better. And we're going to do 7 tablespoons of fish sauce. That's 1 and 7. And that fish sauce is going to provide that umami, that saltiness that we need. All right, and then we got to mellow it out with some water. This is a 1/4 cup of water. Then a tablespoon and a half of minced garlic. That's 1 and another half. Good. All right, guys, and then just give it a nice mix. Make sure you whisk it well so that all the flavors combine. All right, guys, then give it a little taste. Wow, this ratio is just on point. It's spicy, but it's not overwhelming. The fish sauce, it provides good saltiness, but again, it's not too fishy either. And very nice. Put on some gloves, take out a cutting board that you don't really care about, because this kimchi paste, guys, is like Facebook data. It's never gonna go away. The excess water on your green onions should be sort of shaken off by now. The first step is we get a little bit of paste on our hands, all right? And we're gonna just paint these guys. And we especially want to get a lot of rubs around the white part because that's where it's most dense. All right, it's already looking like a murder scene. And then we're going to just put them in a Tupperware and continue on. So, all right, guys, and here it is. It tastes best when this tastes cold, so I'm going to just pop in the refrigerator. And guys, for this one, you don't have to let it sit out at room temperature. It's going to ferment, but we want it to ferment slowly because it tastes best when the green onions are still fresh. So let's put it in. All right, so I just took it out of the refrigerator. It should be pretty cold now. And I'm gonna just take a few and just lay it straight down. A little bit of sesame seeds on top. Guys, there it is. And I just made a fresh batch of chapkok rice. Very nice. And let's try them together. And I like to just chop this with scissors like that. I like to get some of the green and a little piece of the white. Let's try it out. Oh my gosh. And guys, I have a good idea. How about we add some doenjang to the mix? This is as comfort, as homey as it gets right here. But guys, this kimchi is on point. I'm gonna try another one. Oh wow, this is so good. Forget the explanation, I'm gonna just keep eating. And the thing is, it's spicy, so you keep wanting to eat more. If you've never tried kimchi, because Napa cabbage is hard to find, I know you have green onions. Try it out and make your mama proud, all right? See you guys.